Say hello to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip5. Designed to be an extension of you, it has lots of ways to stand out. The newly innovated Flex window is built for ultimate self-expression. Bigger than ever before, it's the largest cover screen on the Galaxy Z Flip yet. Add your favorite widgets, video wallpapers, or make calls, check your calendar, and even pull out your wallet, all while the phone is shut. There are more controls at your fingertips with Flex Mode. Seamlessly split the screen in two or activate the all-new Flex Mode panel with a touch. But the Flex doesn't stop there. Enjoy FlexCam for the best selfie experience on a Galaxy smartphone. Adjust your shot to the perfect angle for wider group photos. You can even use the camera controller zoom feature from your paired Galaxy Watch. Or for flawless selfies in a flash, activate Quick Shot and strike your pose, all without opening the phone. The 12-megapixel main camera keeps selfies looking sharp, letting in more light while also reducing lens flare. And all of this is squeezed into a slimmer design that fits snugly into any pocket. Join the flip side and unleash all the possibilities with a Galaxy Z Flip 5.